A very good morning to all of you, all the aspiring doctors. Let us begin with the first question in physics MCQ challenge. Physics is much scoring subject in Neet as well as JE. If your concepts are clear, if you practice a lot, you will be able to answer these questions very easily in the exam and it will be very beneficial for you. Let us begin with the first question. If the Earth suddenly stops rotating, the value of small g at any place will A. Remain same, B. Decrease, C. Increase, D. None of the above. What do you think is the correct answer? Your time starts now. Well, it will increase. So the correct answer is C. If the Earth suddenly stops rotating, the value of g at any place will increase. Astronauts in a stable orbit around the Earth are said to be in weightless condition. The reason for this is that A. The capsule and its contents are falling at the same rate. B. There is no gravitational force acting on them. C. The gravitational force of Earth balances that of the Sun. D. There is no atmosphere at the height at which they are orbiting. The correct answer here is the capsule and its content are falling at the same rate. Astronauts in a stable orbit around the Earth are said to be in weightless condition. The reason for this is that the capsule and its contents are falling at the same rate. One satellite is revolving around the Earth in an elliptical orbit. Its speed will be A. B same at all points of orbit. B. B maximum at point farthest from the Earth. C. B maximum at the point nearest from the Earth. D. Depends on the mass of satellite. So the correct answer here is B maximum at the point nearest from the Earth. One satellite is revolving around the Earth in an elliptical orbit. Its speed will be maximum at the point nearest from the Earth. The ratio of energy required to raise a satellite up to a height capital R radius of the Earth from surface of Earth to that required to put into the orbit at the height is A 1 is to 1, B 8 is to 1, C 4 is to 1, D 2 is to 3. Correct answer here is 2 is to 3. If the distance between the Earth and Sun were half its present value, the number of days in a year would have been A 64.5, B 730, C 182.5, D 129. Correct answer here is 129. An artificial satellite moving in circular orbit around the Earth has a total, that is kinetic plus potential energy, E0. Its potential energy is 2E0. If the Earth starts rotating, the value of G at the equator A will increase, remain same, decrease. It will increase. The weight of body at center of Earth is A none of the below, B infinite, C same as on the surface of Earth, D 0. It is 0. Weight of body at the center of Earth is 0. Let E1 and E2 denote gravitational field at a distance R1 and R2 from axis of infinitely long solid cylinder of radius capital R. Which of the following must hold true? The E1 is less than E2 if R1 is less than R2 is less than capital R. E1 is more than E2 if capital R is less than R1 is less than R2. E1 is more than E2 if R1 is equal to capital R minus E, R2 is equal to capital R plus E. E is positive constant. D all of them. Correct answer here is D all of them. The total energy of a satellite is A always positive, B always negative, C always zero, D positive or negative depending upon radius of orbit. Well, it is always negative. Total energy of a satellite is always negative. The escape velocity from the Earth is about 11 km per second. Escape velocity from planet having twice the radius and same weight density as the Earth is A 22 km per second, B 11 km per second, C 5.5 km per second, D 15.5 km per second. It is 22 km per second. The weight of an object in coal mine, sea level, at the top of mountain are W1, W2, and W3 respectively. Then W1 is less than, W2 is less than, W2 is more than 3. or W1 is equal to W2 is equal to W3, or W1 is less than W2 is less than W3, or W1 is more than W1, W2 plus W3. It is W1 is less than W2 more than W3. The weight of a person in left accelerating upwards is A is 0, B decrease, C increase, D remain. It is increases. On doubling the distance between two masses, gravitational force between them, A remains unchanged, B becomes one fourth, C becomes half, becomes double. It becomes one fourth. A bomb explodes on moon. On the Earth, we will hear the sound after 10 minutes. We will hear the sound after 2 hours, 18 minutes. We will hear the sound after 37 minutes. We cannot hear the sound. Well, we cannot hear the sound. Thousands of explosions do occur in the moon, and we never hear them because what is the reason? Please tell in the comment chat box. There is a body lying on the surface of Earth, and suppose Earth suddenly loses its power of attraction. Then, A, the mass of the body will be reduced to zero. B, the weight of the body will be reduced to zero. C, both will be reduced to zero. It becomes infinite. A, the mass of the body will be reduced to zero. There is a 2-day ultimate 7 Neet to 720 UG breakthrough success blueprint event to score 720 out of 720 in your Neet UG exam. It is a blueprint. It is a 2-day class. It is absolutely free. Please click the link in the description box to join the class. Two different masses are dropped from the same height. Then just before they strike the ground, the following is same: A, kinetic energy; B, potential energy; C, linear momentum; D, acceleration. It is acceleration. Weight of a person is 800 Newton. If he runs 4 meters in vertical ladder in 2 seconds, then the needs of a power of 1.6 kilowatt. If the Earth is to be at half of the present distance from Sun, then the number of days in the year would be it will be 129 days. The velocity with which a projectile must be fired so that it escapes Earth's gravitation does not depend on A, mass of the Earth; B, mass of the projectile; C, radius of the projectile; D, gravitational constant. It is mass of the projectile. Click the link in the description box to join the 2-day ultimate Neet UG 720 breakthrough success blueprint event.